Looking for a project classic? We've got 17 real listings from across the U.S., from big block bruisers to original Survivor coups, all in project-ready condition and priced to move. Let's dive into the list. Number 1. 1966 Ford Fairlane $500 $2,000 Tyner, Kentucky. Here's a solid hardtop project for just $2,000. This 66 Fairlane 500 has a 289 V8 with a fresh 30 overblock included, but you'll need to assemble it. It's an automatic with a 9-inch rear end and comes with all the chrome and interior parts. Minimal rust, clean frame, and no major issues. Bring a trailer and $2,000 cash. Seller's firm on price and not answering a million questions. Number 2. 1973 Ford Maverick $1,300 Mexia, Texas. All original one-owner Ford Maverick. Inline 6 with a C4 automatic transmission. No title, no keys, but it's a complete car and the engine turns freely. Seller says they're not parting it out. Number 3. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe $3,000, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. Factory V car with factory AC, power steering and power brakes. It's a roller, no engine or transmission, but the body looks decent. Perfect base for a full restoration. Comes with a clean title. Number 4. 1972 Buick Skylark $5,500 Saginaw, Michigan. Powered by a 350 V8 with a 350 automatic, this two-door Skylark has solid floors and a dual exhaust system. High ignition installed, and it's riding on soft 17-inch #8 rims. Some rust on the roof, but a great father and son project. Cash only, no trades. Number 5. 1967 Ford Galaxy 500 XL $9,000 Trevor, Wisconsin. This factory Z-code car comes with a 394-barrel and TCI C6 auto with console shifter, hooker headers, Holley 650 carb, MSD ignition, and 17 torque thrusts. Clean interior with original buckets and new door panels. Midwest car. Rust is present but manageable. Not perfect but a very strong driver. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet Nova $3,800 Arlington, Texas, built to run. Vortec 350 engine with a 350 trans new fuel tank, fuel pump, and wire wheels. It needs exhaust work and finishing touches, but it's already running and driving. Project or work car, your choice. Number 7. 1980 Chevrolet Corvette Lead 2 $6,500, Corbin, Kentucky. This Lead 2 Corvette runs and drives with 75,000 miles. It's in good shape overall and comes with a clean title, no trades. Great project foundation. Number 8. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro $7,500, Quincy, Illinois. A solid hot rod roller with a turbo 350 trans, cowl hood, new gas tank, updated brakes and suspension. Rust on the body, but not bad overall. Seller will install a 454 and raise the price if it doesn't sell as is. Number 9. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray $9,000, Carrollton, Georgia. Georgia, sa. Frizzes, Furlvius, lots of T-bus. Fully built 350 with stage 3 cam, forged pistons, ported heads, Holley double pumper, and 400 trans with high stall, dynoed at 375 HP to the wheels. Great body glass included but not installed. AC doesn't work, but everything else is dialed in. Only 2 owners. Number 10. 1973 Cadillac Souteville $8,500, parked in Maryland. A smooth-running 472 Zoe Cadillac with just 79,000 miles. Exterior's in nice shape, and the seller is open to offers. Classic land yacht comfort with plenty of chrome. Number 11. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, $9,000, Battletown, Kentucky. This four-door sleeper is loaded with a 350 board, 40 over, double hump heads, performance cam and lifters, and a rebuilt turbo 350 trans, hooker headers, glass packs, and a mini spool rear. It's got a salvage title, but this thing's built to move. Number 12. 1972 Plymouth Satellite, $4,500, Poseville, Indiana. Sporting a 318 with a 727 automatic, this Satellite is mostly stock and runs. New brake booster, carb and fuel system. Interior needs some fabric work and it's missing a front valance, though it comes with a cracked spare. Clean title. Number 13. 1974 Chevy Nova drag car, $8,500, down from $12,000, Smyrna, Tennessee. This back-halved Nova was built for the strip but never raced. 400 block is cracked, but it's loaded with speed parts. TCI trans, 456 gear Mopar rear, line lock, trans brake, roller rockers. Paint will shine with a buff and the body is sharp. Title in hand. A daily driver with a Ford 400 engine, good trans working lights and factory radio. Heat works, AC doesn't. Needs a seat switch and window motor included. Vinyl top is gone but trim is there. Clean title, negotiable price. Number 15. 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, S$6,500, Poplar Bluff, Missouri. Powered by a 350 SPC with a 204 transmission, updated rear steering and new headliner. It's a driver but needs floor pans and bodywork down the road. Set of 22s available for $700 more. The G's that the notice for you these 5. Number 16. 1972 Cadillac Coupe de Vie, $5,700, Knoxville, Tennessee. Longtime owner selling this 472 powered Coupe de Ville. It runs and drives, needs TLC, but it's complete. The price is negotiable in person only. Clean title. Number 17. 1969 Pontiac Grunter, $7,000. Gunter's Reserves. New paint, new tires, and runs great. This Grand Prix GT still needs interior work and wiring for the headlights and wipers. But it's a strong driving coupe with a clean look and a lot of style for the money. That wraps up today's list. If one of these classics caught your eye, you better act fast. These projects don't sit for long. Subscribe for more real listings every week right here on Shingna. Thanks for watching.